Prime Minister Andrew Holness give notice say the government are gonna make the curfew go on a little longer. This are the new curfew order. The curfew for Friday, April 10, 2020 to Monday, April 13, 2020, what would be Easter weekend, I go start 3 o'clock in the afternoon and done 7 o'clock the next morning. That means say, you can go road 7 o'clock in the morning and go home before the curfew start 3 o'clock. When time Easter weekend done, this are the new curfew time. It will go run from 9 o'clock at night to 5 o'clock the next morning. It will go start Tuesday, April 14, 2020 and done Tuesday, April 21, 2020. On top of that, the other things where the government put in to deal with COVID-19, like make people work from them yard and lock down the country so nobody can come in or go out or go turn in longer too. Make sure you know the curfew time them so nobody no get locked up.